The parts of the brain: frontal lobe, partial lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, and cerebellum. And this is the parts of the functions of the brain. Frontal lobe. Frontal lobe are located directly behind the forehead. The frontal lobes are the largest lobes in the human brain, and they are also the most common region of injury and traumatic brain injury. The frontal lobes are considered our behavior and emotional control center and home to our personality. Occipital lobe. Occipital lobe is the smallest of the four lobes of the cerebral hemisphere. It is present posterior to the partial and temporal lobes. The occipital lobe is primarily responsible for visualizing processing. It contains the primary and association visual cortex. Temporal lobe. Temporal lobes sit behind the ears and are the second largest lobe. They are the most commonly associated with processing auditory information with the encoding of memory. Partial lobe. The partial lobes are responsible for processing somatosensory information from the body. This includes touch, pain, temperature, and the sense of limb position. Like the temporal lobes, the partial lobes are also involved in integrating information from different modalities. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is a structure that is located at the back of the brain, underlying the occipital and temporal lobes of the cerebral cortex. The cerebellum is important for making postural adjustments in order to maintain balance.